Sure. Here's a story about a clever monkey and a fierce tiger. Tales: the monkey and the tiger. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a clever monkey named Momo and a fierce tiger named Taro. Momo was known for his wit and agility, while Taro was feared for his strength and roar. One hot afternoon, Taro was feeling particularly hungry and decided to hunt for his meal. As he prowled through the jungle, he spotted Momo swinging from tree to tree. Taro thought to himself, that monkey would make a delicious meal. Taro called out to Momo, "Hey, Momo, why don't you come down here and chat with me for a while?" Momo, sensing danger, replied, "Oh, Taro, I'd love to chat, but I'm very busy gathering fruits for my family." "Why don't you come up here instead?" Taro, knowing he couldn't climb trees, growled in frustration. "I can't climb trees, Momo. But I have a proposition for you. If you come down, I'll share a secret about a hidden treasure in the jungle." Momo was intrigued but cautious. "A hidden treasure, you say? How do I know you're telling the truth?" Taro, trying to sound convincing, said, "I swear on my honor as the king of the jungle." "Come down, and I'll show you the way." Momo thought for a moment and then had an idea. "All right, Taro, I'll come down. But you must promise not to harm me." Taro agreed, and Momo slowly climbed down the tree. As soon as he was within reach, Taro pounced. But Momo was quick and agile. He jumped back up into the tree, just out of Taro's reach. "You tricked me," roared Taro. Momo laughed and said, "And you tried to trick me first." "But I'll tell you what, Taro. If you promise to leave me and my family alone, I'll tell you where you can find plenty of food." Taro, still hungry and now curious, agreed. "All right, Momo, I promise." Momo pointed to a nearby river and said, "Follow the river upstream. And you'll find a grove full of wild boars. They come there to drink water every evening." Taro, eager to fill his stomach, thanked Momo and rushed towards the river. Momo watched as Taro disappeared into the jungle, relieved that he had outsmarted the tiger once again. From that day on, Taro kept his promise and left Momo and his family in peace. And Momo continued to swing happily from tree to tree, always staying one step ahead of danger. This story is over. Thank you for watching and listening until the end. Thank you.